And finally, the Chattanooga Lookouts are opening up their 2013 season with high expectations. On their opening day roster, the Lookouts will feature 5 of the 7 top prospects in the Dodgers farm system. Take a look.
The ultimate goal is to get up to the big leagues as quick as possible. Made a lot of strides in the offseason, got better with my command, improved my off-speed pitches, and did a lot of stuff to improve my body just in general and get myself in better shape preparing for the year.
I've watched Yassi now for 6 weeks, and every day he comes out, plays with this energy level that we don't see often. He's Bo Jackson. The comparisons, they're accurate.
If I'm a baseball fan and living in Chattanooga, I want to come see this guy. He's pretty special.
You know, we got a very exciting team on the field. We got 5 of the top 7 prospects for the Dodgers. You know, the opportunity to see some of the players that are out here is the Jock Petersons, the Zach Lees, Yasiel Puigs. It is worth your time to come out because you're going to see these guys on TV in a year or two. These are the stars of tomorrow, truly playing in Chattanooga this year.
The Lookouts begin their season Thursday against the Huntsville Stars.